Climate models play a central role in IPCC reports, and they've even made their way into school curricula. But for many students, and sometimes even teachers, they can still feel like a complete mystery. Yet these models are essential tools for understanding and predicting climate change. It's not always easy to tell the difference between projections, scenarios, and simulations. And figuring out how real-world observations connect to these models can be just as tricky. But making that connection is key. It helps build trust in these invaluable tools, and by extension, in science as a whole. To help high school teachers tackle these complex topics, the Office for Climate Education has developed a number of resources, including this pedagogical handbook. It explains how models work, how reliable they are, and how they help us understand past, present, and future climate events. These activities have been tested in classrooms and validated by both scientists and educators. Let's take a closer look. The handbook is made of 3 progressive sequences, each exploring a different angle: what, how, and why. Sequence A looks at the Earth's climate system. Sequence B focuses on climate modeling, and Sequence C zeroes in on how climate models are used to predict the future. Each sequence includes a series of engaging activities that follow a logical progression. At the same time, they're designed to be flexible so that you can choose the ones that are most relevant to your class. You'll discover 9 ready-to-use lessons, each with detailed guidance for teachers. Every lesson is clearly structured and includes a brief overview of the disciplines and themes covered, the estimated duration of the activity and preparation time, the pedagogical approaches used, key learning objectives, the main sustainability competences targeted, and the scientific concepts addressed. Students will engage with key competences such as problem framing and solving, envisioning the future, taking action, and embracing sustainability values. Emphasizing values is essential, as research shows that scientific knowledge alone is not enough to encourage pro-environmental behavior. This handbook is a true turnkey resource. It provides scientific and pedagogical notes to support teachers in preparing the activities, along with practical advice and tips for carrying out lessons in the classroom and anticipating potential challenges. The handbook emphasizes active teaching methods, including serious games, inquiry-based learning through experiments, modeling, observation, or research, writing workshops, and tech-enhanced learning using tools like multimedia animation, the Python computer language, and climate simulation software. In addition to this teaching handbook, the OCE offers a range of complementary resources, including multimedia animation integrated into the lessons, and to help clarify complex concepts such as the urban heat island effect. Also, short videos featuring expert insights on specific themes that can be used to introduce a topic, support a lesson, or wrap up a session. All of these materials are available in the resources section of the Office for Climate Education website. With this Climate Models Handbook, you and your students will be equipped with the knowledge and tools to better understand climate change, gain valuable insights into climate models, and reflect on actions and choices that support more sustainable ways of living. The power to shape the future climate is in your hands.